In today's video, I will walk you through how to download voice or audio from Telegram. If someone sends you a voice message, music file, podcast, or another type of audio on Telegram, you can save it to your computer instead of keeping it only inside the chat. Let's start with the most direct way. Open up your Telegram desktop app and find the chat with the voice memo or audio track you want. Hover your mouse over the audio file or the voice bubble. If you're on Windows, right-click it. If you're on a Mac, hold Control and click. A menu will pop up right beside your cursor. Look for the option that says Save As and click it. A file browser window will pop open, letting you choose exactly where you want to drop that file, whether that's your desktop, a music folder, or a dedicated project directory. Hit Save, and boom, you've got the raw audio file ready to go. Here is one quick thing to keep in mind. Telegram usually saves voice messages in the OGG audio format. While most modern media players like VLC or browsers can play OGG files just fine, some older software or editing programs might give you a hard time. And there you have it. Quick, simple access to all your Telegram audio files on desktop. If this guide saved you some time, hit that like button. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other app questions. See you next time.